Yes, friends, how are you? How's your life going on? Today we are going to talk models. uh, Today we will discuss about could have, should have, must have, might have, has to, have to, had to, will have to, need not have, had better, going to, likely to. Okay, so we will discuss all these models. Okay, first could have. Okay. First of all, I would like to tell you the syntax. Syntax of could have, should have, must have, and might have. Subject, subject plus could have, should have, should have, must have, might have, plus be third plus object. Okay. If we talk about negative sentence, subject plus could have, should have, sorry, subject plus could not have, should not have, must not have, might not have. Okay, plus v3 plus object. Okay, if we talk about interrogative sentence, okay, we have to place could, should, must, might before subject. Okay, right? So so let's talk one by one. तुम फोन कर सकते थे. ओके, तुम मुझे फोन कर सकते थे. You could have called me up. ओके, तुम मुझे फोन कर सकते थे. ओके, call somebody up, it means किसी को फोन करना. ओके, तुम मैनेजर से बात कर सकते थे. You could have talked to the manager. You could have talked to the manager. Okay. सोहन मुझसे पूछ सकता था. Okay. सोहन could have asked me. Sohan could have asked me. Okay. Next, should have. Okay. तुम्हें मुझे फोन करना चाहिए था. Okay. You should have called me up. Okay, you should have called me up. Okay. राम को कॉलेज जाना चाहिए था. Okay, Ram should have gone to college. Ram should have gone to college. Okay. He should have called a meeting. उसको एक मीटिंग बुलानी चाहिए थी. Okay. Could have सकता था. Okay. Should have चाहिए था. Right. Okay. Next, must have. Okay. वह अब तक निकल चुका होगा. Okay. He must have gone by now. He must have gone. He must have gone by now. Okay. वह टैक्सी से चला गया होगा. Okay. He must have gone by taxi. Okay. So friends, we have seen could have, should have, must have. Okay. Next, might have. He might have left that job. It means उसने शायद वह जॉब छोड़ दी होगी. Okay. उसने शायद वह जॉब छोड़ दी होगी. Okay. He might have got another job. उसको शायद दूसरी जॉब मिल गई होगी. Okay. Might. Okay. उसको शायद दूसरी जॉब नहीं मिली होगी. Okay. So he might not have got another job. Okay. So not. Okay, between might and have we have to use not. Okay, could not have, should not have, must not have, and might not have. Right. Next, has to, have to, and had to. You have to do homework. You have to do homework. Okay. Sita has to sing a song. Sita has to sing a song. Okay. You will have to take an exam tomorrow. Okay. आपको होमवर्क करना है. ओके. सीता को एक गाना गाना है. आपको कल एक एग्जाम देना होगा. ओके. So has to, have to, and will have to. If we talk about syntax, subject plus has to, have to, and will have to plus verb first form plus object. Okay. Subject plus has to, have to, or has to, or have to, or will have to, plus verb first form plus object. Okay. When we convert this sentence into negative, okay, so you don't have to do homework. आपको होमवर्क नहीं करना है. ओके. सो वी हैव यूज्ड डोंट. सीता को एक गाना नहीं गाना है. Okay, so Sita does not have to sing a song. Okay, आपको एग्जाम नहीं देना है. Okay, you will not have to take an exam tomorrow. Okay, so friends, if we talk about has to, have to, and will have to, okay, in negative sentence, okay, we have to use uh, I, you, we, they, and plural. Okay, we use do not. Okay, he, she, it, name. Okay, we use does not. And singular. Okay, I, you, we, they, do not, and plural do not. He, she, it, name, and singular we have to use does not. Okay, second thing is that, okay, whenever we use singular name, okay, does not, okay, we will not use has over here. Okay, we will not use has, we have to use have over here. Okay, Sita does not have to sing a song. Okay. Next, if we talk about will have, okay, not will come between will and have. Okay, so you will have to take an exam. I want to clear here. Okay, student takes exam. Okay, and teachers give exam. Okay, for teachers we have to use give exam. Okay, for students we have to use take exam. Okay, right, for students we have to use take, for teachers we have to use give, right? Next, have to. I had to go by taxi. मुझे टैक्सी से जाना पड़ा. I had to go by taxi. Okay. If I convert this sentence into negative, okay, so I did not have to go by taxi. I did not have to go by taxi. Okay. If I convert it into interrogative, did I have to go by taxi? Okay. And here if talk about interrogative, okay, does को पहले ले लेंगे, okay, do को पहले ले लेंगे, okay, will को पहले निकाल लेंगे. Okay. So did I have to go by taxi? I did not have to go by taxi. I had to go by taxi. Okay. मुझे टैक्सी से जाना पड़ा. So so we have discussed has to, have to, had to, and will have to. Okay. Next, need not have, had better, going to, likely to. Okay, we will discuss these things in next video.